Hey guys, welcome back on Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Today we have the last video about Xiaomi Mi A2. We will talk about camera and show you real sample photos and videos. Also in description you can find videos with unboxing, performance and battery tests. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. It is very important for us. Just like many other Xiaomi phones, in 2018 Mi A2 received improved front camera. It has 20-megapixel sensor with flashlight. If we talk about rear camera, there is 12-megapixel main sensor Sony IMX486 with f1.75 aperture and 20-megapixel secondary sensor Sony IMX376. As you know, Xiaomi Mi A2 runs on stock Android 8.1 Oreo operating system, so the camera app differs from the other Xiaomi phones on MIUI. You will have circle shutter button and available shooting modes above it, such as photo, video, short video, portrait, square, and others. On the top you can see flash and HDR. The settings menu provides the following options: camera sound, pocket mode, watermark, picture quality, and many others. Now let's look at sample photos. The images in daylight conditions are amazing. They are high detailed and have nice colors. As for the portrait mode, you cannot change the blur level, however the default algorithm works very well. By the way, you can use portrait mode on both front and rear cameras. Also, there is only one sensor on front panel. It allows you to make good portrait photos. The front camera has a flashlight, so you can do selfies even in low light conditions. If we talk about low light conditions, I'm very satisfied with images on smartphone for $250. It makes really good photos at night. Of course, they are not so detailed as in daylight, and they are a little overexposed, but compared to other phones in this price category, Xiaomi Mi A2 makes great photos. The smartphone shoots video in 4K at 30fps, Full HD at 60fps, and HD at 30fps. The video stabilization works well only in Full HD. You can shoot slow motion and time-lapse videos. In general, the quality is good, but it lacks a good stabilization. Also, at night, the video jumps all the time. It is better to stop and shoot video from one point, not to move the camera. So Xiaomi Mi A2 received a really good front camera with flashlight. The selfie lovers will be glad. If we talk about rear camera, it is definitely better than Mi A1 and many other budget phones in 2018, such as Redmi S2. If the camera plays an important role for you, then you should buy Xiaomi Mi A2. It is one of the best camera phones in the price category under $250. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.